Nice, beautiful day out here to be doing real estate. This is the next project right here. This is gonna be fun redoing this. We're gonna tear this down and do everything brand new. Look at how they did houses in the 20s. It's all small. Little ass bedrooms over here. Small bathroom. Wow. How small these rooms are compared to the size of what the new rooms are gonna be when we're done rebuilding this property. But this property is in a very, very nice school district. Very, very family-oriented neighborhood. Little dog run right there. Open up to the huge backyard with a pool. Yeah. We're gonna tear all of this down.